This is an unboxing of the Compark 4K video Wi-Fi action cam from Amazon. Inside you get waterproof casing. Open that up, take the camera out, good quality feel to it, power button, gives you how many photos and videos you've taken on the front, on the back, quite crisp, and as you see there it's got Wi-Fi. You need to download an app called DX. And then you get a box full of accessories, which obviously include straps, attachments for your bike, attachments for everything basically. So, what will it be like to actually use? To activate Wi-Fi on the action cam, press the up button until you see it flashing, and then in your settings it should come up in just a second. Action cam, it does have a default password. Then once you're in, you go to the app, which is Action Cam. And that's you. And then if you want to transfer, you go to Media and transfer whatever you need down onto the phone. Hope this helps. If you like, please share and like my page.